Sterling Software is hunting for passionate Python developers. If you've got 3 to 5 years of experience with Python frameworks like Django or Flask, and libraries like NumPy and Pandas, we want you. Join us in Chennai, Tharamani, and dive into a world where you'll design, develop, and maintain cutting-edge Python applications. Your mission? Write efficient, reusable code, craft RESTful APIs, and develop scalable web apps. You'll work side by side with front-end developers, ensuring seamless integration of user-facing elements with server-side logic. Know your way around MySQL or PostgreSQL? Great. Bonus points for data science and JavaScript skills. At Sterling, we value collaboration, constructive feedback, and staying ahead of industry trends. Immediate joiners with less than 15 days notice period, this is your chance to make a swift career move. Apply today and be part of a team that thrives on innovation and excellence. Sterling Software, your next big opportunity awaits.
Check out the link in the description to apply now.
Subscribe to our channel for the latest job updates.